Natural disasters on Event Shock channel. You're welcome. The death of 3 people in China, who were swept out of their homes by strong windstorm, has shocked mainland social media. On the night of Saturday, a series of unusually strong winds struck Jiangxi province in southern China. Four people in total were killed and at least 10 injured. 3 of the deceased, who lived in the same residential building, were torn from their high-rise apartments by the powerful gusts. The cause of death for the 4th victim remains unclear. Among those caught in the disaster was a man, whose apartment is on the 20th floor. Su reported that the wind blew out all the windows in the living room and bedroom, causing his 64-year-old mother and 11-year-old son to be swept out of the flat. Another victim, a 60-year-old woman living on the 11th floor, fell to her death after being sucked out of a broken bedroom window, according to her husband, Juan. Juan survived as the room he was sleeping in that night was not damaged. He recalled being startled awake by loud noises and rushing into the heavily damaged living room to assess the situation. Juan then ran into his wife's bedroom. "I called her name, but there was no response," he said. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.